start with the diffuser first. Just gonna take it over here. So they sent us some 3mm tape, so we don't really have to do any like unscrewing, and we just need some alcohol wipes. So then we're just gonna go along the edges and add the 3mm tape. And then we're gonna put some of the promoter on the tape, and then we're gonna apply it to the car. This is how I put the tape on the diffuser. I just put it along the edges, just make it as even as possible. All right, now let's get it outside. Let's take it to the car and apply it. Next thing we're gonna do is just wipe it down, and then apply the promoter on the sticky part of the tape. And then it's just an easy, just align and just stick it right on the car. So let's get out to the garage. All right, so we just about finished a lot of stuff on her car. So I'm gonna let her give y'all the update of how it's looking now.
Okay, so we did a lot with this car. Well, no, not even a lot. It's just a couple of things. Wow, you guys, I'm really having a hard time with turning my camera around. That's crazy. Okay, guys, so this is like an update of what we did to the car. The front, he just put 2 guards on the bottom there. Don't ask me where he got them from because I don't know, but I'm pretty sure he'll leave that information for you down in the description of this video. I think the biggest and best part for me is probably going to be the back where he put the diffuser and the louvers on. The diffuser, he put up a video of that already, and of course you guys know he cracked it, but he ended up fixing it. He ended up fixing it, y'all, and honestly, you can't even tell, like, unless you really like walk up on it and you're looking for it, like, you can't tell. So yeah, I love the diffuser, and my favorite part are the louvers and the lines he did for the louvers to make it actually look like a scorpion's back, because as you guys know, my name on Instagram is Black Scorpion, Scorpion from Mortal Kombat, and it could be considered the animal, but the one from Mortal Kombat is mostly what I was going for, hence the black and yellow. So yeah, so those are the current mods that we have on my car. And then I think Nick is probably about to get ready to do a couple for his car. But yeah, so hopefully like more mods to come. But the current mods I am in love with. So, you know, you guys subscribe and stay tuned for more content from us.
All right, so I got the diffuser over there. And we're gonna start wiping the diffuser down. It's gonna go right up under here. Start from here. So we go all the way over here. So then we're gonna prep it, wipe it down, hit it with the alcohol wipe, And that should get it ready to put on. All right, now it's time to take the tape off. And then we're just gonna lay it right across there. I've already wiped it down, put alcohol wipes on it and everything, so it's ready to go. All right, let's get to it. All right, so this is the finished product. It just stuck right on there. Real easy install. Probably one of the easiest I've done. So then I'm gonna add the accent red tape that goes right here on the fins. Then I'll take a picture of that and put it at the end of the video so you can see how it looks complete. So we went on and removed the screws off the old one. Now we're just gonna lift it right off and then start getting the little plates off the back of the window. So this is the old one. Had a carbon fiber one. The reason why I'm taking this one off and doing a new one is because somebody wanted to mess up the other one and didn't align it right.
I did not mess it up, first of all.
Yes,
okay?
you did, because
no,
you did not want to listen.
First of all, I was listening, okay?
No, you were not.
The way you talk to me sometimes, you know, it could be really scary, so.
You're gonna not listen, catch your attitude, and then mess up. Unbelievable. But these are the little plates we gotta get off. Need to wash my car. Don't mind the pollen, it's pollen season. So you just gotta get some degreaser, let it sit a little bit, and it should peel right off. Let's see if she's gonna help me with this project.
Maybe, maybe not.
All right, so here's the new one. It's a matte black from MP Concepts. Don't mind my dog in the background. He just want to be let out. All right, let's get this to the garage. You gonna help me?
Yeah, I guess I'll help you.
All right. All right, here go both of them side by side. The carbon one's a lot more shinier. All right, let's get the prep in this window and getting these plates off. plates off. This is how it looks without the plates. All we gotta do is just get some glass cleaner and just clean out the window. And then we can start prepping the louver with the metal plates that came with it. And then we'll slap it right on. Got the louver prepped with the plates on it. Now we're just gonna put it on the window and line it up correctly this time. Ain't that right? You ain't gotta be like that.
You knew I was eating hot Cheetos while you're doing that.
Alright, let's get to it. Got it on there. This is how it looks. Looks real good. It actually did it even this time, so it shouldn't hit right here like the last one. Gave it enough gap. With the help of my baby, I appreciate you.
Yep. You're welcome.
And then this is how it looks with the new louver and diffuser. All right, this will wrap up the video. Only last thing I gotta do is just put the red tape right at the fins, and then I'm gonna come up with a design to do on the louver, just like we did on the Charger. Still haven't figured out what I'm gonna do. Tape just got in. That's it right over there. So you're gonna see at the end of the video a picture of the finished product with everything on there, the tape included, and appreciate you watching.